Let us now look at how to sharpen. You have to sharpen your skills. You have to have skills which you sharpen, job titles. And we are going to look at exercise 1.4. What name is given to the following people? So we have these words: pilot, receptionist, vendor, farmer, mechanic, author, plumber, barber, dentist, florist. So number 1, a person who sells flowers is a florist. That's the person who sells flowers. Saka munhu anotengesa maflower anonzi florist. Number 2, a person who flies an aeroplane is a pilot. Pilot ndiye anodriver ndege, flying an aeroplane. Number 3, a person who fits and repairs pipes in a building is a plumber. So you have to know these titles. Kuti anoita chakata anonzi chi, as we are demonstrating here. A person who treat people's teeth is a dentist. So vanoita zvemazino, madokta emazino anonzi madentist. A person who receives visitors in an office is called a receptionist. Receptionist ndiye munhu munotanga kusangana naye kana mukaenda kuma-office. He or she receives people in an office. A person who writes books is an author. So vanoita zvekunyora mabhuku vaya vanonzi ma-author. A person who cuts people's hair is a barber. Barber kwatinoenda kunogerwa kana chikoro chakutanga. A person who grows crops and rears animals is a farmer. Kurima nekuchengeta mombe nembudzi nemakwai nehuku nemadhadha. A person who sells vegetables is a vendor. So vendor ndivo vaya vanotengesa muriwo pamusika. They are vendors. A person who repairs cars is a mechanic. Kana mota yafa tinoenda nayo kupi? Kuna makanika. Muchirungu tinoti mechanic. So these are the different occupations. What you should know is you have to go to school to be a florist, pilot, a plumber, a dentist, a receptionist, an author, a barber, a farmer, a vendor, a mechanic. So this is zvamunoda kuita. You have to go to school, you have to learn how to do it. So what we are being taught here is you have to sharpen your skills. Go to school, do your best. Go to high school, secondary school, do your best. Go to high school, do your best. Go to college, to university, do your best and become a professional. Be it a florist, a pilot, a plumber, a dentist, a receptionist, author, barber, farmer, vendor, or mechanic. So as you can see, we have finished our unit number 1. We are then going to unit number 2, which is the dog and the bone. I hope you are going to enjoy this one.